Module Getting Started. Welcome to the Negotiation Skills Workshop. Although people often think of boardrooms, suits and million-dollar deals when they hear the word negotiation, the truth is that we negotiate all the time. For example, have you ever decided where to eat with a group of friends, decided on chore assignments with your family, asked your boss for a raise? These are all situations that involve negotiating. This workshop will give participants an understanding of the phases of negotiation, tools to use during negotiation, and ways to build win-win situations for all those involved. Workshop objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, that the learning occurs more easily and rapidly. With that in mind, let's review our goals for today. By the end of this workshop, you will be able to understand the basic types of negotiations, the phases of negotiations, and the skills needed for successful negotiating. Understand and apply basic negotiating concepts, WATNA, BATNA, WAP, and ZOPA. Lay the groundwork for negotiation. Identify what information to share and what to keep to yourself. Understand basic bargaining techniques. Apply strategies for identifying mutual gain. Understand how to reach consensus and set the terms of agreement. Deal with personal attacks and other difficult issues. Use the negotiating process to solve everyday problems. Pre-assignment. The purpose of the pre-assignment is to get you thinking about negotiation. Take a few minutes and think about the following questions. 1. What do you believe are the characteristics of a successful negotiator? 2. I believe that my negotiation skills are effective in the following areas. 3. These skills are measurable in the following ways.